hopefully this is the last take, guys. I've already filmed this video 100 times, but it is all to the goodie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I have an empties video that I want to share with you guys, and if you don't know what an empties video is, it's pretty much just some items that I'm done with that I either used and liked, or I used and I didn't like. So if you guys haven't already checked out some of my other videos, don't forget to do so. If you like the content that I'm creating here on this channel, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and of course hit the bell if you want to receive notifications from your girl, me, Taya. What else did I want to say? Oh, if you guys have some content ideas for me, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. Want some more hair videos or makeup, which I don't really dabble in as much, but I can always start. Whatever you guys want, just let me know. If you guys have products that you want to try that you're not sure if they're going to work for your hair type, and we have the same hair type or similar hair type, let me know and I'll go ahead and get those out for you guys. So let me stop talking so this intro is not hella long. And all right, let's just jump right into it. The first couple items that I'm going to be starting off with, guys, are just going to be a couple of makeup items that I have here. I'm better than sex. So yes, love this stuff. It is bomb. Oh my god, the light is so bright. So it's kind of hard to see, but yes, love this stuff, guys. It's amazing. And yeah, I mean, there's like 101 mascaras on the market, but I just love this stuff. I'm wearing it on my bottom lashes today, and it just makes it pop. It kind of gives you that falsy sense of lashes without actually really having to put on falsies. So that's what I love about it. And the packaging is just so sleek and amazing. If you guys haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it. The Better Than Sex by Too Faced. This is a repurchase, of course. The next item I have is the NYX brow tint. This one is the Tame and Frame. This one gets really dry fast. For some reason, I don't know, this is the second one that I have purchased of this particular item, and it's a no-go for me, guys. Like, I don't know, I think I purchased them within like a month, because the first one got dry on me, and I thought like, oh well, maybe it was me, maybe I'm the one that left it open. So I went on ahead and repurchased a second one, and then it did the same thing, it dried out again. So I was like, oh no, it's definitely the product. I definitely will not be repurchasing this. Do not like that one. However, the NYX mascara brow tint, love this stuff. And if you guys are on a budget and you need something that's going to kind of seal your brows, I would definitely recommend this one. It's great for any type of weather, summer, fall, winter, spring. Love it. It kind of acts like a brow gel, but it's not. It's just supposed to be like mascara for your brows, and then it lays it down really sleek, really nicely. I have it on today, if you guys can't tell. And yes, I would definitely be repurchasing this one. Next item I have are eye pencils. And this one is Stud by MAC. You guys can't probably tell because the lettering has rubbed off, but it's called Stud. I love it. It gets my brows really sharp, and I have since repurchased this. Love this stuff. Will definitely be repurchasing it. If you are looking for a dupe, I recommend the Black Radiance. But yeah, it's just the Black Radiance, guys, eye pencil, and to me it's a dupe. I've used it as a dupe. When I found this stuff, I was just like, oh my god, where have you been all my life? Especially if you don't want to spend, you know, your money on the higher end brow fillers. If you just want to do like your drugstore makeup, I would definitely put this on my list of things to get for my brows. It's super creamy. And what's this color? If you look for the one with the brown tip, then you'll be able to find it. Wherever they sell Black Radiance, you could probably find this. Love this stuff. It's like $3 and it gets the job done. It's super creamy. The only thing I will say is that if you're going somewhere and it's gonna be really hot, then you might want to opt for the MAC or your Anastasia Beverly Hills, because those pencils, they not going nowhere. Love this stuff. Will definitely repurchase it. The next item I have is a face product, and that is just the Philosophy Miracle Worker, and I love this stuff, guys. It is amazing. It's a great moisturizer. I think I've been using this now for about 2 years, and I love it. It works well in the wintertime. It works well in the summertime. The great thing about this, guys, is that it has the SPF 30, and it's a great moisturizer. So if you are needing something to moisturize your skin, but you also need that SPF, I would definitely recommend this. Yeah, truly a repurchase. And I think that one is probably actually like my second or third one. Let me jump into body care. So I have my Summer's Eve, and I think we all pretty much know what this is. It's your feminine wash. It's amazing. Sometimes when I don't use it, like, I always revert back to it. Like, even if I'm lazy and I'm like, oh, I ran out, let me just use soap and water or whatever cleanser I'm using at the time, I find myself always going back to the store repurchasing this no matter what, because it's just amazing. Like, I don't know, like, if I don't use it, I just feel some kind of way. I feel like, am I really clean? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm being a bit extra, but I love this stuff. This is definitely a repurchase. And I only get this scent, guys. I only get the one for sensitive skin. So if you do have sensitive skin and you're concerned about, like, oh, well, you know, I don't want to put those type of items on my body because they'll break me out or something like that, I don't find that this does so. But again, I'm not a doctor, so check with your physician before you do that. Since we're sticking with the hygiene theme here, I have my Pronamel, and everybody pretty much knows this is just toothpaste. I prefer this one. I have used a bunch of other ones, the Crest, the Colgate. They just don't do it for me. This Pronamel is everything, and yeah, it is definitely a repurchase. I have my aloe vera, and I think you guys, if you guys haven't seen my last video that I did, my Get Ready With Me, I use this. Oh, and look, ooh, we matching, girl. I think that's cute that it does match my little shirt, or my dress. But yeah, so what was I saying? See, that's what happens when you get sidetracked. Pay attention. This is my Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel, 99% aloe vera gel. I love this because it is a great moisturizer. If you guys haven't tried this type of moisturizer, or if you guys just haven't found the right moisturizer for your face, I would suggest trying this. Like, I saw this on a couple of YouTubers that I follow's channel, and they said that it really helped clear their skin up, and I've been using it for about a good 2 years now, and it definitely works. So if you have sensitive skin and you're not really sure what to use as a moisturizer, I would definitely get my hands on this. It's really inexpensive. Definitely will keep rebuying this as long as they keep making them. I pray they do not discontinue it, because I feel like every time I like something, they discontinue it. Well, not every time, but you know how that goes. When you like something and they discontinue, it's like, really? Why? Anyway, get your hands on some aloe vera, Lily of the Desert, and this is a repurchase for me. Crest Pro Health. I don't know, I bought this, and I ended up buying 2 big bottles. I guess they were having like the sale, buy one get one half off, or buy one get one, and I bought 2 bottles of this, and I did not like it. So I was just like, oh, will this mouthwash never end? Like, I just felt like it was like never ending. Like, please, can I just get through it? I could not. It was so annoying. I bought 2 big bottles and I did not like it. I don't know if it was the flavor or I'm just partial to the Listerine, but nonetheless, it's just basic mouthwash, but it's going to be a negative on the repurchase for me. Skin Firming Lotion by Nivea. I love this stuff, guys. It's bomb. And I know this is pretty much for like cellulite, or I personally just use it because I just want to be preventative, guys. Like, I don't want to, you know, like how they say, like, oh, you don't have wrinkles, but you just use things to prevent. So that's kind of how I am. My mom always says prevention is better than cure. Don't want to have to spend a whole bunch of money trying to figure out how I'm gonna get my skin back smooth. So in the meantime, I'll continue to use this. Love this stuff. We'll definitely be repurchasing it. If you guys haven't tried any of the other Nivea products, they're amazing. Love them. Love this stuff. We'll definitely continue to repurchase them. The next item that I have is the eucalyptus mint, And this is just a hand wash, basic hand wash from where's this from? Bath and Body Works. Why can't I get that out? Bath and Body Works. So I love this. I love the eucalyptus mint flavor. It's amazing. I love the smell. It smells really clean. It's great for your guest bathroom. It's great for your bathroom. Just basic hand wash. Love this stuff. We'll definitely be repurchasing it. And I have some beets. Love this. This is just for shaving. We'll definitely be repurchasing it. I have my Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion. I love to use this stuff at night before I go to bed. It just smells so bomb. The lavender flavor is calming. I like to dabble in essential oils, so the lavender flavor, it has really calming properties. So I love the lavender in here. We'll continue to repurchase, have repurchased it since. Love this stuff. Another face item that I forgot to mention was the Dermalogica micro daily exfoliant, or daily micro exfoliant. Love this stuff. It is bomb, you guys. I used it in my last video to do my get ready with me, and it's just good. I've been using it now for probably about 3-4 years and love the Dermalogica. I raved a lot about that in my last video, so don't forget to check it out. My next 2 items are the same. The almond body butter by The Body Shop. Love this stuff. And the regular shea butter. Love both of these products. If you have really dry skin, these are amazing. They smell bomb. They just smell, they don't smell too fruity. Like, they don't have that, they smell good, like clean. Like after I finish shaving, and then I use my body scrub, I like to go in with this. Next item is my Tree Hut Tree Hut Sugar Shea, what is it, Shea Sugar Scrub. I love this. This one is the Moroccan Rose. If you guys haven't seen it going around YouTube, I don't know, maybe you're just not into stuff like that. But this flavor is definitely the most, I guess, pretty popular, and I just heard a lot of good things. I tried it out. I love it. We'll definitely continue to repurchase this. Apple cider vinegar, can't go wrong. I use this stuff in my hair. I know some people drink it. Ooh, I'm not there yet. I used it in my hair this time around when I did my reset, and that video will be up soon. It's great for your pH, so that's why I put it in my bentonite clay mix, which I'm making a video about it, so if you guys want to check that out, that will be up also on my channel. And yeah, it's just great. I get the one with the mother because that's the one that is recommended. You should always try to get the one with the mother because it has like all the nutrients and stuff in it. It definitely balances out your pH for your hair, and amongst other great properties. It doesn't smell very good, but hey, it is what it is. It does what it's supposed to do, and I will continue to repurchase. So now I just have a few candles, guys. I'll start off with the Everyday Luxe. These are from like TJ Maxx. So if you go into like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, you'll find these candles. I have the Sugar Pink Grapefruit, and then I also have the Winter Edge, the Warm Beechwood, and I love these. They're like $6.99 a piece, and they're just nice everyday essential candles that you can burn just depending on what mood you're in. They're great. They burn pretty good, and yeah, love them. We'll continue to repurchase. Of course, when we talk about candles, you gotta mention the Bath and Body Works. This is the Pumpkin Pecan. Oh, this candle is amazing, guys. If you guys haven't tried this candle, and this, of course, this is a fall scent. If you guys haven't tried this candle, you have to try it. It smells so good. If you're not into like the really sweet smells, then you might not like it. But if you're into like the holidays and pumpkin pie and just that, I don't know, like maple syrupy kind of smell. I don't know if I'm describing it right, but it just smells so bomb. I love it, and I will forever continue to repurchase this. It's the American Home by Yankee, and I don't know, I like the smell. It smelled really good in the store. Like, it smelled really good in the store, but it didn't do it for me. Like, when I got home and I burned the candle, let me know if you guys have that experience. If you've ever just purchased a candle and then you get home and it's just like, okay, this don't smell like anything. Like it just, I don't know, it just doesn't burn really well. So, and it wasn't inexpensive either. Like I don't know, I felt like if it was cheap, then maybe I could understand why it didn't burn well, but to me it's just as expensive, or just it's around the same price as the Bath and Body Works. So save your money, don't get this from CVS like I did. I would definitely not be repurchasing this. It just, I don't know, it's just a waste of money to me. Next I have a couple of deep conditioners. Crazy Palo, you guys know this is Bay. It is amazing. I talk about it in my deep conditioning videos and the benefits of deep conditioning. So love this, will definitely be repurchasing this. And then I have the Neutrogena Triple Moisture Miracle Mask, and you can get this from, Triple Moisture Deep Recovery Hair Mask, and you can get this pretty much from I guess your local grocery store to I believe maybe Walmart, pretty much anywhere you can get Neutrogena products. They sell this, definitely in Bed Bath & Beyond. I think that's where I may have gotten this one. Love this. This is like one of the least inexpensive deep conditioners that you can probably purchase, and it works amazing. It's like $5.99. It's great. Love this. Will forever and ever continue to repurchase. They better not discontinue that one because I love that stuff. Macadamia, and I didn't get a chance to feature this in my favorite deep conditioners. This is definitely a holy grail. When I made that, I could not find, I ran out, couldn't find the packaging. So yes, I didn't get a chance to feature it, but I love this one. Definitely will be repurchasing it. My next one is the Taya Wajid Curly Cream. If you guys haven't checked this out, make sure you do so. Love it. It's great for my curly type 4 hair. It's bomb. It's amazing. It smells good. I can't find this size. This size is like the value size. I loved it because it's like 10 bucks for this big size. So yeah. And my last but not least is the Shea Moisture's JVCO. Love this. I also talked about this one in my deep conditioning video, so definitely be repurchasing this one. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That completes the end of my empties. And yes, let me know down below if you guys have tried any of these products, if you guys what you guys like, what you guys don't like, what you would recommend for me to try next. Until the next one, you guys know what to do. Stay blessed.